Welcome to Star Mesh Body, created by Shazad Han. I am Starlite Steampunk, and in this tutorial I will be talking about how to use and wear Bakes on Mesh, also known as BOM. The Bakes on Mesh is located in the Setup tab in the HUD, on the top right side. So let's start by clicking on the Enable Bakes on Mesh tab. You will see the body turn red. This is because we are still wearing the alpha layer. So let's just detach it. In your inventory, you're going to go to SMB V3.81 folder. Look for the alpha full body hide and click and detach. Voila! Now you're ready to begin. With Bakes on Mesh, you are able to wear any clothes, skins, etc. from Second Life or any other designer. Like my inventory has so many clothes I love to wear, but it's not compatible with the Star Mesh body. So with Bakes on Mesh, I can still wear them. Yay! Anything according to Second Life UV is compatible with the Star Mesh body. Moreover, we have provided you with all the Star Mesh body skins for appliers, also for Baked on Mesh. So in the folders you opened, you will see Star Mesh Body, Bakes on Mesh, Skins and Tattoos. Click on that and you will see many skins provided for you. Click on some of them and see what you like. We have also provided you with Bakes on Mesh Skin Nails Fix. Some of the skins in the marketplace may have a problem with feet and hands. So to fix it, you can click on the Bakes on Mesh Skin Nails Fix and add. And then click again and edit. When editing and changing the skin tone to match as close as you can. Now you see the skin by the toes and the fingers. They look so much better. Such a close match now. Now, with Bakes on Mesh, Optimize Body. The normal Star Mesh body has 4 layers, which increases the complexity of the mesh body. With Bakes on Mesh, all these layers are basically useless. So here we can bring down the complexity of the Star Mesh body by clicking and detaching the highlighted SM Mesh Body 3.81 and SB Body, Hands, Feet 3.81. Now we can add the SB Mesh Body 3.81 Bakes on Mesh and SB Mesh Hands and Feet 3.81 Bakes on Mesh. Then click Enable Bakes on Mesh and bam! There is your Star Mesh body on Bakes on Mesh. You can also wear the Bakes on Mesh head, but when you do, you lose all the cosmetics layers of the Star Mesh body. If you want, we have provided you with the basic needs for this Those would be in your Star Mesh Body, Bakes on Mesh, Skin and Tattoos folder. Find Cosmetics, and you can see the classics we provided for you. And you can add these. So if you really wanted to reduce the complexity, you can switch the Star Mesh body to Bakes on Mesh head and use any of these cosmetics. Now, I want to give a shout out to a friend and designer, Catblacky, who owns Meow Meow. She has recently designed this beautiful skin for Star Mesh Body. It has freckles, which I love, and beauty marks. It's simply beautiful. You can wear other skins from other designers as well. And another shout out to our Star Mesh Body partner stores, Madrigal, owned by Cevad, and Exodus, owned by DzanaCanan. They create mesh clothes, shoes, cosmetics, and jewelry for Star Mesh Body. I want to show you these full permissions, gorgeous, backless heels made for Star Mesh Body from Madrigal. They're so cute. I love wearing them, and they go with so many of the outfits. The links to Madrigal, Exodus, and Meow Meow are in the description below in this video. Please go check them out. Star Mesh Body is still new to the market, but there are already many designers creating new clothes all the time for Star Mesh Body. If you go to the Second Life marketplace and type Star Mesh Body and click New Releases, you will see many clothes ready for your new body. We have also created a whole line of clothing ourselves and continue to create more to support our Star Mesh Body. So now that concludes this Bakes on Mesh tutorial, and a shout out to our partners. You now know how to use the Bakes on Mesh. You can also still utilize your whole wardrobe and use Star Mesh Body while doing it. Woot woot! I am Starlite Steampunk, and thank you for watching this tutorial. Hope it was informative for you and have fun with your Star Mesh Body. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.